Warm up on your back today. So lie down on your back, bring your knees over your hips, press your hands into your thighs, push your thighs back into your hands, lightly squeeze your thighs toward one another. Have a block nearby just in case we end up needing one for this workout. Tightening your abs, squeezing, squeezing. 15 seconds more, really push it. So really drive your knees into your thighs into your hands back into your thighs. Lightly lifting your head away from the ground, tucking your chin slightly. Last 5 seconds, push even harder. 3, 2, 1, and then relax. From here, going into a side twist, so bring your legs over to the right. Bring your right hand on top of your left knee. Pull your left rib cage down. Reach your left arm out to the side and look over toward the left. So we're just going to hold this twist with active core engagement to help warm up your abs, stretch your lower back. And I want you to press your left knee into your right hand as you're doing this. So we're going to create a little bit of tension. And we've got 20 more seconds left here. Make sure you're looking all the way over toward the left so you're getting a stretch through your neck. And again, driving your right hand into your left knee and left knee back up into the hand. 10 seconds. All right, bring it back to the middle and switch sides. Knees over to the left. Left hand on top of the right knee. Extend your right arm out to the right. Look over toward the right. And again, pull your right rib cage down toward the ground so you're tightening your obliques and your core. And then lightly press your left hand into your right knee. Press the right knee back up into your hand. And 30 seconds here. Breathe as deeply as you can. Halfway. All right, bring it back to the middle. And then from here, bring your legs straight out. Press your heels forward, squeeze your legs together. Hold here for 20 seconds. If you want to go a little more intense here, reach your arms toward the back and lift your shoulders off the ground. Drive your heels forward, make your body as long as you can. Extend your arms back. 10 more seconds, that's it. 3, 2, 1, and then relax. Bring your feet in toward your hips. Come up into a bridge. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your thighs together. Straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Arms relaxed along your sides, palms facing up. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your heels toward your butt. Keep your neck relaxed. 15 seconds. All right, go ahead and relax down. Bring your knees in toward your chest. Just kind of roll here for a couple of breaths. Pull your belly button toward your lower back. Stretch out your lower back. Squeeze your knees toward your shoulders. And then from here, let's flip over. We're going to move into a cat-cow. So hands under your shoulders, knees under hips. 5 total, inhaling to arch. Exhaling to round. And again, 5 total. On your own pace, moving nice and slow. Focus on extending through your upper back and your neck as you arch. That's the hardest part for most of us. Couple more. Last one. All right, here we're going to do a wrist stretch. So stay in that tabletop position. Turn your fingers to face you, palms face down, and stretch your forearms. Lean back as much as you would like to stretch the forearms. I'm just kind of moving from side to side here. You want to get the very bottom of your hands on the ground here. That's going to help with the best wrist stretch you can get, best forearm stretch you can get. And then again, just moving a little bit here, maybe turning from side to side. If you don't do this stretch often, you'll notice the difference. Really useful if you're spending a lot of time driving or typing or just doing anything with your hands. All right, and then flip your hands. So now palms face up, fingers face toward one another. Press the backs of your hands into the ground. At the same time, try and engage your forearms. You want to squeeze your inner forearms, kind of the under side of your forearms. And so we're trying to engage those muscles in the forearms, at the same time also stretching the wrist. If this feels weird at first, put less pressure in your upper body so you can move your knees closer to your hands to put more weight into your lower body. If you want to make it more intense, you'll bring your legs further back. All right, go ahead and release. And from there, moving up into a lunge. Right leg forward, left leg back. Go ahead and start in a runner's lunge. So lift up your back knee, push down hard through your right thigh, pull your chest forward. If you feel like your back is rounding, grab a block, place that inside your front foot, and then use that to keep your body upright. You want to make a straight line from your heel to your head. Pull your ribs in, keep your abs tight, back neutral. One more breath here. And then go ahead and slowly release your left knee down. Keep the back toes tucked. We're going to keep this active. Keep driving down through your right foot. Bring your arms up into a low lunge. Turn your palms to face back. Keep the weight in your right side. So make sure you're not bringing your hips over to the left, but that you're keeping your hips centered. Draw your ribs in tight toward one another, keeping your spine neutral, and squeeze your arms back. So engaging your upper back and opening up your chest. Two more breaths here, working on an engagement and strength through the hips, but also stretching through the left hip. All right, and then releasing, switching sides, left leg up, right leg back, runner's lunge. Lift your back, excuse me. Lift your back knee, squeeze your legs toward one another, pull your torso forward, ribs in, straight line from heel to your head. Make sure you're not lifting up too much, but keeping yourself neutral. 2 breaths here. And then release your right knee down. Keep the toes tucked. Stay active through both hips. Bring the arms up. Keep your ribs neutral and then squeeze your arms back using your upper back strength. So not arching your back to open up, but keeping your back neutral, keeping your neck relaxed. And hanging out here for a few breaths. Exhale to sink deeper. Keep both legs active. Last breath. All right, and release. Go ahead and stand up. From here, we're going to do a one-leg balance. Make sure we're getting all the right muscles active. Stand on your right foot, bring your left knee up to your hip level. And it's 30 seconds here. Driving down through your right heel, pressing your left hand into your left thigh. And go ahead and lift your right arm up, squeezing the arm back, keeping your chin relaxed. Last breath. All right, release. Switch sides. Now bouncing on your left foot, bring your right knee up to hip level. Press down hard through your left heel. Make sure you're straight up and down. Right hand to right thigh. Left arm up, squeeze it back. 30 seconds here. Keep your ribs drawn in. Just like mountain pose, except you've got one arm in the air and one leg in the air. Last 10 seconds. All right, and then release. We're going to move into a standing, a high lunge. So step your left leg back, keep the right leg forward, reach your arms up, overhead. We're going to go goalpost arms here, so elbows level with the shoulders. Tailbone is reaching down, and you want to focus your weight in the midsection of your body. So put all your weight in your core. Thirty seconds here. All right, and then from here, lower your hands down. Bring your back foot up just a little bit, point it out 45 degrees. Press down through your right foot, straightening your right leg until you feel a stretch through your hamstring, through the back of the thigh. And then come up onto your fingertips and pull your chest forward, making your back flat. If you need to bend your knee more to keep your back flat, do so. And if you want to use a block, then you can also use the block here to help keep your back flat. Spine stays neutral, abs stay tight. Keep your body pulling forward. Squeeze your thighs toward one another and feel that stretch through the back of your right thigh. 30 seconds here. As you work deeper into this pose, maybe you find you don't need to use the block. You can kind of rest the fingertips down. Or maybe you do need it, in which case use it. Or bend your knee more. You want to find a point that your leg feels like it can open up, like it's gradually opening up. Not find the point where it's intolerable, but you can barely hold it. And not too easy either. So you want to find a happy medium where you feel like your body's adjusting to it, but it's not too little and not too much. All right, bend back into the knee, come all the way back up, and switch sides. High lunge, left leg forward, right leg back. Squeeze your thighs toward one another, press down hard through your left hip. Tailbone reaches down, spine neutral, goalpost arms, and a few breaths here. So working on balance, working on strength, working on stretching this right hip. Pull the neck back. Relax your chin. Make sure your spine is neutral. Make sure your neck is relaxed. Last 10 seconds. and then lower your hands down, either side of your front foot. Bring your right foot up just a little bit, point the toes out 45 degrees. Pull your torso forward, make your back flat, and then straighten your left leg as much as you need to feel a stretch through the back of the left thigh. Squeeze your thighs toward one another. If you want a little extra support, use the block inside the front foot. Rest both hands lightly on the block and pull your chest forward. Should be feeling a stretch through the back of your left thigh and engagement through both inner thighs. So squeezing the legs toward one another. Abs are always engaged in yoga, so my abs are engaged, keeping my body upright. And I want to feel length through the front side of my body, avoiding rounding through my back. So my back should be as close to flat as possible. A couple more breaths here. Last little bit. All right. Thanks for joining me for this workout today. Make sure you subscribe. We put out lots of videos like this on a very regular basis. And to get full access to all of my workouts, my programs, tutorials, and more, head to manfulyoga.com, sign up for a 7-day trial. It's just $1. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video.